What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I greatly appreciate you being here, and today we are going to go over this 2023 Arctic Fox 25Y. The stock number on this one is 1904, and it is just right at 30 feet long. So we're going to take a look on the inside, we'll walk around on the outside, and in the meantime I will show you some weights on this as well as some tank sizes. So let's get started. Okay, so stepping here in this back door, you do have two entrances, one here in the back and one in the front. I'll show you that here in a second. You do have nice views back here in the back of through your dual pane frameless windows. I do like those. You've got this nice jackknife sofa with two built-in end tables here. Both of them look exactly the same. You've got storage in both of them and a 120 volt outlet next or underneath them as well. You've got these little accent lights above the couch along with storage up here, and this storage does go all the way through. There is no divider in between any of these doors, so that really works well at storing, you know, maybe some longer things or blankets or something. You do have a max air fan here above your jackknife sofa, and here is the remote for that. It's handy right here on the wall. Okay, backing up next to the door here, you can see you've got a dinette that does fold down into a bed. You've got drawers underneath your dinette, and you also, so these drawers are only half the depth of your couch or your cushions there. You do have access from outside underneath these as well, so I'll show you that here in a minute. Another drawer underneath that. Here is a pretty good sized little pantry here on this unit. Directly across from your kitchen, and along with two drawers underneath that. Scanning right here, you have a 5000 BTU electric fireplace. Now that's good if you've got full hookups and you're not paying for any electricity. That will keep you pretty warm in here when the temperature is about 45 degrees or so outside and you don't want to run that propane furnace. Here's your TV directly across from your jackknife sofa, and then also you have a Jensen Bluetooth head unit here. Bit of storage right there. You do have the WineGuard gateway already installed in this one, and a digital thermostat. Little table there for some pictures or, you know, whatever you want to put there. All right, let's scan over here to the kitchen. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you can see as you come in, you've got the kitchen right here. You also have lots of storage, and you get a trash can on this one. So this is cool too. Get this trash can, you put it right here. Look at this. You've got trash can access for smaller things, obviously, but that's really nice right there too. It's here by the door, so you don't have to, you know, traipse it all the way through if the bag's leaking or something like that. Too, you can see, and I'll show you on the other side too, you've got access to water pipes, you know, your plumbing, so you can make sure you don't have any leaks. Always, always, always check that every time you go out. Make sure you don't have any leaks. You do have auto level on this one, which I love. That's an awesome feature on a 30-foot travel trailer. So scanning right next to the door here, you can see you have your light controls here. You also have a ZAMP solar charge controller there. You do have a 45-watt panel on the roof. You've got a gas, an electric, or both water heater. It is a 10-gallon water heater outside. Of course, you have your porch light, your entry light, your slide, and your awning extenders right there. 120 volt plug. Maybe you can put the coffee pot here. Coming around, you can see your kitchen. We'll go ahead and take a look at all the storage that you have in the kitchen. And this is above the sink. Nice faucet. I like those. And then you do have a dual basin, so a double basin sink as well. Man, those are heavy. Again, there is that trash can access from here. Okay, let's check out all these drawers. Oh, I like that. That's a built-in utensil tray. There's all the controls. There's some more drawers. And here is underneath your sink. So again, there's a good access point to your water pump and some of your water lines just to make sure you don't have any leaks. All right, drum roll. What kind of oven do we have? Oh man, that could almost be a turkey oven. I don't know. I'm going to say it could almost be a turkey oven. It could definitely be a baked chicken oven or a chicken nugget oven. So whatever you choose to put in there. 3-burner Furrion cooktop, along with knife storage back here in the back. and a nice looking exhaust fan too. All right, got a microwave. Again, it's on the smaller side, but it's a microwave, can't complain. Propane refrigerator. It is not an electric refrigerator, so it is a electric or propane refrigerator. So the 2024s, they started putting on electric only, 12 volt only refrigerators. So this is kind of the unicorn. It's a dying breed, that's for sure, but this one does have the propane refrigerator. So let's spin around before we take a look in the bedroom, and you can see the layout on this one. I really like that. And you also have the 15K AC up here as well. Okay, so spinning around here, you can see the bedroom. You do have a nice little curtain here to go across and close, so to close this all off. It does have a bit of a different floor plan in the bathroom, and this is what makes this unique. So the shower is open, shower area is open, but again, you can pull that curtain closed. You also have a curtain here that you can pull closed, and you can have this big space right here for your bathroom. I really like that. It's very unique, and you don't find that in too terribly many travel trailers to have that. Here's a nice, it's a big shower. It's a pretty good sized corner shower. So I like that. And then you also have a skylight. Let's take a look at the office. Where most of the business happens. So there's the toilet. It is a porcelain foot flush toilet, and it does have a lot of space in here to do what you need to do. There's the toilet paper roll holder. I mean, they even think of that. Nice little design here too on the valances. Take a look in here as well. And again, you have a nice upgraded max air fan to kind of, you know, clear out any, yeah, anyways, out of here. Also have little towel holders here on the back of the door. Here's another hand towel holder. Bedroom lights. Big closet. That is a very big closet with a hanging hanger. Then you have a drawer down here. I don't know, folks. I'm just trying. I'm trying. It's hard to not come up with something to say, so I'm trying to do the best I can here. You do have a spot for a 12 volt, so you've got a TV access here as well as a 120 volt, and then your cable hookup right here. Here is the front door, and I'll show you that again from the outside. But here's another door and an entry into, and this is a good thing because if you're traveling and you have this slide out in right here, you may not be able to access and come around. But if you're traveling and you need to go to the restroom, you just hop in this door. You don't have to slide any slide outs out, and you've got full access to your bathroom as well. So I really like that. And two, let's see, you would have access to your refrigerator as well. So that works. I like that. Okay, coming around, you can see your bed here. You've got storage all the way across the top. We'll take a look into those, along with another max air fan control here. So you've got 3 max air fan vents in this unit. I mean, that'd be perfect for boondocking. That way you can pull some air out, you know, if it's a nice, enjoyable day outside, and you don't have to try to figure out how to run that air conditioner. So there's no divider up here. Let's see, no divider up here on these, so I like that. That's pretty good size space up there. You've got nice reading lights here above the bed. You also have a 120 volt plug over here, as you can see, and then you've got a nice little nook here above your head as well. Storage on that side. I like this too. So it comes with a laundry hamper, and you've got access. You can put the laundry hamper right there, and boom, out of sight, out of mind, right? Little drawer there beside, along with USB plugs right here beside the bed. And let's take a look under here. You do have pretty good sized storage underneath your bed, along with outdoor chairs. So these are Arctic Fox outdoor chairs. I like that. You can see how thick the mattress is as well. So again, this is an RV. This is an RV mattress, but it's not a flimsy, thin little mattress like you find in other manufacturers. They put in a really nice mattress in these. So, you know, a lot of times that's the first thing you got to change when you buy an RV, is to buy your own mattress. These are actually pretty comfortable. So here's your sink beside your shower. You do have a steel sink, nice faucet there. Here's your medicine cabinet, along with storage underneath your sink and more plumbing access there as well. 120 volt plug here, along with your other bathroom light switch. So we'll take a quick scan one more time here. We'll go outside, we'll take a look at the weights on this, and we'll do a quick walk around on the outside. Okay, so again, it is a bit of a windy day, so I apologize for my audio. I'm doing the best I can here. So you can see you do have the solid entry steps that go into this back door. You do have a nice big awning that goes 3/4 of the way down this 30-foot rig. You do have a nice outside exterior light. You've got 2 speakers as well as another shot at that frameless window. Here is the auto level. This is the rear auto level back here. You do have shocks on all 4 corners of these axles, along with Goodyear Endurance tires that you have as well. So here is the fresh tank fill. There's a 120 volt outlet here. There's the furnace, the back side of your propane refrigerator, so that you can access that. Here is your 10-gallon gas, electric, or both water heater. Here is the different style MORryde. So they have these so that they can fold into your bedroom and not take up too much space if you don't want to extend those out when you're camping. So it will still take up space inside of your bedroom, but just not as much as, say, those would. So here's your pass-through, along with those weights that I promised you. So you can see you have an 820-pound hitch weight, you have a 7,695 pound dry vehicle weight, a net cargo capacity of 3,005 pounds, and a gross vehicle weight rating of 10,700 pounds. Now the fresh tank on this unit, the fresh water that's capable of holding, you can see is 57 gallons, but 10 of those gallons will be in the water heater. So you got about 47 gallons worth in the tank itself for the fresh tank. Again, there's a shot of that pass-through, and you can see there's that laundry hamper that I said you could put underneath that laundry chute there. Here's your 12-volt disconnect, along with some fuses, and a nice LED light there too. Okay, speaking of LED lights, you do have exterior LED lights all the way around on this one. And here is a front shot of your front auto level. I like the Arctic Fox design, that nice chrome design on the Fox. And then here is your front your front entrance to your bedroom. Coming around here, you see they've got a nice texture here on the front of these caps. I like that. Full fiberglass front caps as well. Got little lights there too. Propane tanks. You've got a power jack, obviously, with the auto level system. You do have the custom frame from Arctic Fox. It's an Iron Horse chassis. I really like that. Coming around here, you can again see some of those numbers and the serial number, and here's the other side that pass through for you. Okay, you do have the magnetic latches for your exterior baggage doors and things. Here's your sandy flush. Here's your freshwater hookup from the campground. And then also over here by your dump pipe, you do have a nice light here to kind of light up if you have to do that at night. Here's a shower. Here is your cable and satellite. See, little things like this I like that Northwood does. So that's just a little drip guard right there. So if anything does get behind, moisture gets behind this seal coming from the top down, it will catch it and divert it out here instead of soaking into your floor inside. Again, you've got those Goodyear tires, nice sturdy wall construction. You do have a double bulb seal as well on the slide outs. Just little things like that. I mean, they're big things that not many other manufacturers are doing that all together, you know. You do have slide toppers on this unit, and we'll take a look at those here in a second on the roof. Outdoor storage. Here is the access to the other side of your dinette seating there. And nice little storage. You can see how thick your walls are too. Nice and thick doors, or walls and doors. And magnetic latches again. You can see how thick those doors are. That's just another side of that storage on this side. Alrighty. Coming around, you can see there's your cord holder. So you do have a dedicated space for that cord. Again, you've got LED lights all the way around. Nice chrome wrapped bumper with a 250-pound maximum 2-inch receiver as well. Let's take a look on the roof. So up here on the roof, you can see your one of your 3 vent covers, as well as up there and up there. You can see you have a 45-watt panel that we discussed, and you also have the 15K air conditioner right here, along with a slide topper on this unit. And two, as always with Northwood products, this ladder is screwed into 2x4s on the other side of the wall. It's not just some 1x or anything thin like that. So this is a very, very sturdy ladder. You do get a spare tire with that. And again, you can see rvsnorthwest.com. Take a look at it. Another LED light. And then there is a shot also of that chassis that is custom made. This is an all conditions 4 seasons unit. And again, this is a 25Y. Well, that's it. So do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know in the comments. You can also find it if you want to see more pictures on this at rvsnorthwest.com. The stock number on this one is 1904. And again, this is a 2023 Arctic Fox 25Y. Let me know what you think. Give me a like if you think that it did okay on this video. Let me know in the comments too if you have any other questions. If you get on our website at rvsnorthwest.com and you find some other units that you like, feel free to give me a call and we can discuss about those as well. So until next time, I greatly appreciate you being here, and safe travels, everyone.